Hello traders. Today is the 12th of August 2025 and Tuesday. What a blessing day, guys. Let me share with you how we help our traders to squeeze amazing profit through live analysis. Let's look at the analysis now. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar, guys, as mentioned yesterday, we've been short here, and this was the target as mentioned yesterday. So nicely hit, squeeze amazing profit. Price nicely broken this low here. As explained, look at the price action. Price refused to stay below this level. Price nicely broken and give us the confirmation. So we were expecting a long trade here, and we really enjoyed this really, guys. Squeeze amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. It's pretty straightforward. We have this beautiful counter long trade here. As you can see here at around this level, price nicely broken and intraday momentum was bullish. Price developed inverted head and shoulder pattern, give us the early sign. Nicely broken, even after the breakout, price retest, squeeze amazing profit. So that was the first trade we had. Then the second trade, we had a long trade here after banking some profit. You can see here the price nicely broke on the previous high and pull back, pull back, pull back, squeeze amazing profit, guys. We were just following this really. And in New York session, this was the trade we had. It pretty straightforward. As explained, price developed another inverted head and shoulder pattern. Looking for this breakout, momentum was bullish and bias was bullish and beautiful breakout. And after the breakout, price nicely retest, give us the confirmation for another push to the upside. So most of the traders really enjoy long on pound dollar today, guys. As you can see, as mentioned previously, we have this impulsive, we have this correction. So we were expecting this push anyway. So what a beautiful trade. Let's see tomorrow if the price gonna stay above this level, though keep looking a pullback. We're only going to take a short if the price gonna break any recent low and give us the confirmation. Otherwise, keep taking a pullback. We'll see tomorrow, guys. So let's look at the pound yen. Pound yen, we had a good trade, guys, too. And let's look at the pound yen. Pound yen, we had amazing trade, guys. Yesterday, as mentioned, we have this sort of like a bullish engulfing candle, strong body. And even yesterday, price nicely broken as a smart trader. We have this impulsive, we have this correction, so we were expecting this breakout. Even if you look at here, the price nicely broken and give us the confirmation. And beautiful continuation. This is the target we were expecting. And this blue line and this one is a weekly resistance level. As I mentioned, if the price can hit this level and rejection, then looking for counter. So we had a beautiful long trade here, and at the New York session, we also had this counter short trade here. Now, let me share with you guys the entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. So if you look at here, this was a pretty straightforward price nicely broken. This is the Asian session analysis. We were looking this breakout. So here in intraday, price nicely broken this previous high and beautiful long trade squeeze, amazing profit. And then afterward, we also had another beautiful long trade here. That was a pretty straightforward squeeze, few pips. And the best trade we had it, this was the trade we had it. London morning session, as explained, my trader price developed false breakout. While the price is here, avoid, let the price break. And you can see here, price nicely broken and give us the confirmation and another pullback. Hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit, guys, on pound yen. That was a beautiful trade we had. And afterwards, once the price hit to the major resistance level, so we also had a counter short trade here, which you can see here. Price came back and retest this level. Even if you look at the have a bearish inside candle pattern in intraday, as mentioned here, price refused to stay above this level, broke and give us the confirmation. Safest way, we're looking for this breakout, price nicely broken, and another pullback, hit to the previous low level, and that's what helped our traders time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful short trade we had on pound yen. Okay, let me share with you guys the Euro USD. Euro USD, we had amazing trade, guys. Yesterday, as you have seen, beautiful short. And this is the target, which is a pretty straightforward. If you look at here, sort of like we were expecting some pullback long trade here, especially when the price give us the confirmation, retest this level, price nicely. And if you look at this candlestick pattern, this is a bullish engulfing candle, price nicely broken and retest exactly like a pound dollar. We had this beautiful rally, squeeze amazing profit. So let me share with you guys how we analyze. That was a pretty straightforward. This was the counter trade here, guys, yesterday. Beautiful. And we mentioned this London morning just before London open. You can see here that was a beautiful breakout. pull back, long trade here, squeeze amazing profit. Then we have another beautiful one more short long trade here, and the ish in the New York session, that was the beautiful long trade, guys. Pretty straightforward as mentioned here in the analysis. If the price can stay above this level, look for another push. Price nicely broken, beautiful, and hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit, guys, on Euro USD. So that was a beautiful trade, guys. We really enjoy, guys, today banking some profit. All right, guys, if you want to see those analyses live in real time, most welcome, guys. Join our fast going trading community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best. Take care.